Vipps has become one of the most convenient and widely used mobile payment platforms in Norway, transforming how people send, receive, and manage money daily. The app is designed to simplify payments, from transferring money to friends, paying bills, or even shopping online. To use Vipps effectively, start by downloading the app from Google Play or the App Store. Once installed, you'll need to register using your Norwegian mobile number, bank ID, and a linked bank account. These steps ensure that your transactions remain secure and verified. After setup, using Vipps is incredibly straightforward. When you need to send money, open the app, tap Send, and enter the recipient's mobile number or select their name from your contact list. Type the amount and add a short message if you wish, then confirm the transaction. The money is transferred instantly, and both parties receive notifications right away. Vipps eliminates the need for cash or account numbers, making personal transfers fast and hassle-free. For those who frequently split bills with friends, Vipps has a request money feature. Whether you're sharing dinner expenses or contributing to a group gift, you can easily send requests to multiple contacts, and they'll receive reminders until the payment is made. Businesses and online stores also widely accept Vipps as a payment option, allowing users to make purchases securely by scanning a QR code or confirming payment directly through the app. Another efficient way to use Vipps is for recurring payments, such as donations, club fees, or subscriptions. Users can set up automatic transfers, ensuring payments go out on time without manual effort. The app also supports e-invoices, meaning you can pay bills with just one tap instead of logging into your bank account every time. This makes Vipps not just a money transfer tool but an all-in-one digital wallet. For small businesses and freelancers, Vipps provides an easy way to receive payments without needing a card terminal. By creating a Vipps business profile, you can share your payment link or display a QR code for customers to scan. Payments are processed instantly, and you get clear transaction records, making bookkeeping easier. Security remains a key advantage of Vipps. Every transaction is protected with bank ID verification, and users can set PIN codes or biometric authentication to prevent unauthorized access. The app is constantly updated to meet Norway's strict financial security standards. To make the most of Vipps, keep your app updated, link it to your main account, and explore its extra features like Vipps eFactura, Vipps Checkout, and Vipps Bedrift if you run a business. With its seamless integration into daily life, Vipps stands out as the easiest and most reliable way to handle digital payments in Norway, fast, secure, and trusted by millions.